Looking to customize, clean, or repair your mechanical keyboard? The process should be simple, not a struggle. Today, we're checking out the Qianyu 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, a tool that aims to make keyboard maintenance effortless. Right out of the package, its purpose is clear. This is a unified solution for removing both keycaps and switches from hot swappable boards. No more fumbling with separate, flimsy tools. The standout feature is that genuine 2-in-1 functionality. One end features a sturdy 4-claw grip that securely latches onto keycaps without scratching, while the other end is a precise switch puller that neatly clips onto switch housings. In real-world use, the ergonomic design truly shines. The square handle and optimized lever arm provide great leverage, making removals a one-press operation. I noticed significantly less finger fatigue compared to cheaper, wire-style pullers. The build quality is impressive. The translucent stainless steel components feel solid and durable, resisting bending, while the ABS plastic adds comfortable rigidity. When you're done, it folds into a compact, portable form that easily tucks away, a huge plus for gamers on the go. For pros, the durability, dual-function design, and pain-free operation are top tier. The wide compatibility means it works with most common switches and hot-swappable keyboards. For cons, the stainless steel can feel a bit slick, so a firm grip is advised. Also, while it's excellent for its intended use, it won't help with soldered switches. Compared to the basic pullers often included with keyboards, this is a major upgrade in comfort and reliability. A quick practical tip: always pull switches straight up vertically to avoid bending pins, and use the keycap puller evenly on opposite sides of the keycap for a clean release. Overall, the Qianyu 2-in-1 puller is a thoughtfully designed, robust tool that simplifies keyboard customization. If you're serious about your mechanical keyboard hobby, this is a small investment that protects your larger one. Thanks for watching. Let me know your favorite keyboard mods in the comments below.